Want to get the most out of Windows Clock on Windows 11? The Clock app includes useful tools for alarms, timers, stopwatch, world clocks, and focus sessions, making it a handy way to manage your time and stay productive. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Windows Clock on Windows 11 in 2026. First, click the Start button and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app from the search results to open it. You can also pin Clock to Start or the taskbar if you use it frequently. Let's start with alarms. Open the Alarms section and create a new alarm. Choose the time, add a name, select the days you want it to repeat, and choose an alarm sound and snooze duration. Next, use Timer for countdowns. Create a timer, choose the hours, minutes, and seconds, give it a name and select Start. You can pause, resume, or reset the timer whenever you need. For measuring elapsed time, open Stopwatch. Click Start to begin, use Lap to record intervals, and select Stop when you're finished. This can be useful for workouts, study sessions, experiments, or timing everyday tasks. If you work with people in different countries, use the World Clock feature to compare time zones. Add cities you're interested in and quickly check their local times before scheduling calls or meetings. Windows Clock also includes focus sessions to help organize periods of concentrated work. Choose a focus duration, configure breaks, and start your session. If Microsoft To Do integration is available, you can also connect tasks to your focus time. For system-wide time settings, open Settings, select Time and Language, and then choose Date and Time. Here you can manage automatic time, time zones, and other Windows Clock settings. And that's how to use Windows Clock on Windows 11 in 2026. From alarms and timers to world clocks and focus sessions, these built-in tools can help you manage your time more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.